I have told that in history it is decided in religion that women will cook food inside and yes,
that
yes.
what a person can do.
No. Not a person.
That's what you are saying.
It is. I am saying that it is decided that girls will cook food in home and people will go. Male will go outside and earn money. But in today's era, my mom also earn money outside. My father also earn money. And sometimes my mom gets sick.
Like
my father cook food.
Like if your
He
family,
also take decision. My family decisions.
Like you, like one day you found that your house is small and you want a new house for your living.
Then both we will manage money and we will be buying, sharing.
I'm not talking about money that money terms. I'm talking about who will be the prime person who is going to take that decision that where should I buy the land, where should I.
The person who will be earning money more. It
That's
can
what
be a
I'm
male,
saying.
it can be a
You got my
female.
point.
It can be a male, it can be a female. If my mom earn money more than my father, then my mom will decide that yes, I want a home, that home. And my father will be say if yes, then they both will be go agree and buy. If they don't agree, they will think.
What matters is money.
Yeah.
Money is
They
the
think-
source
He
of,
had to say
money
yes.
is the source of happiness.
In today's era, it is yes.
Yes.
It is the money is the power in today's era.
Okay, like if we all are talking about gender equality,
Yes.
I'll tell you that so our Supreme Court had given a decision that a girl can have equal rights on their parents' lands too. You have heard that? That
No.
your sister have equal right like you on your father's land, like on your father's property.
Yes.
You have heard that?
Yes.
Do you like you are in favor of this decision of Supreme Court?
I am in favor, but there is a little bit controversy.
Which kind of controversy?
If my mother wants land in his father home, he can get that property. His property. C can get
She
property.
is not eligible for this because the amendment was just done. I think half or 1 year ago.
So
Before-
in today's era, if my sister get married and wants land in my home, so she get home at my village and my
That's not the point. The point
and she
is,
get
are
after
you ready
married
for
there.
doing so? Are you ready for doing so?
Yes.
That you are
If
ready for
she
sharing your
want-
father's property with your
If
sister.
she want, I will give and I will tell you can take. Then my father and my mom will be your responsibility too. Then take them and feed them also. I will give my third part of my
But a
land.
responsible person who is her husband is already taking her responsibility. Then she is going to get a land in your home, and she is also getting place in ससुराल क्या बोलते हैं?
In-laws.
In-laws home. Then she had the property in two places, but you have only one place in your father.
Her sister,
That is your father's
her
property.
sister-in-law also get the property in both
Yes. Then I will tell my wife then get land in his home. So everything will be equal.
Wife also get the
What if your wife father is not that much capable
His
like yourself?
answers are like he is like just after money only. He is only in favor of money. Wherever the money will go, he will just be after that thing.
What if her father is not that much capable like your father?
If my sister get land in my home, then I will say okay, it's okay. You can take and
It's
they're
not-
both. But my father and my mom will be your responsibility too. If I help them.
Which kind of responsibility you are talking about?
In his
A
older
person
age, he
who
will
is-
not be workable. If he has
Which
any
kind of
problems, then you will also help. Money related or anything, any emotional support.
State a single point that your father is taking responsibility of your sister after marriage. State a single point.
I am agreeing on it, but not
He is
totally.
saying that the person who will be getting the money, that person will be responsible for the responsibilities also.
Yes.
His point is like this. If I am paying you for something amount, then you are the responsible person. I am just taking my step back. I I'm not
But-
responsible. If I'm taking money, I will also take the responsibility also. Exactly.
Yes,
your,
yes.
but your father already given them a automatic washing machine
That's the different.
during the marriage, like a gift.
That's a different thing. It's
There
It's
is
a blessing.
It's a blessing.
Against,
It's blessings.
I
Yes.
am talking about just a automatic washing machine. There is a lot more.
Yes, yes. It's not said that you have to give that a car and a Mercedes and everything. If I get married, and the girl have to give, girl's father have to give. It's not written. And if in today's mentality, the people want that give me Mercedes if I am earning 20 lakh rupees per
Just take the
year.
name. Just take the name dowry.
You
want dowry?
Dowry.
You will take dowry or not?
No, I will not take. I will say that the thing you have capability,
don't-
give.
Your answer would be.
You are in front of camera
Your
and you
answer
just
would be.
saying that you are
Your answer would be, if I have to give dowry in my sister's wedding, then I will take dowry.
No. No. Then I will not marry my sisters. Then I will not marry my sister at that place. I will find someone else.
Yes.
If he asks for dowry, I will not marry my sister there. I will find a person who don't want and who has a same level at my.
when he is giving the property share, so why he give dowry?
What?
When he is in
No. They are fine.
He is giving share property.
His father or he himself is not giving any property to his sister.
Acha, okay, fine. Let me. First thing, the topic was about the gender equality.
Yes.
You are taking this topic to now you just diverted this topic to another level.
And gender equality.
You started from where?
Yes. Gender equality is all about equality on
Everything.
mental level,
Yes, mental.
not on physical level.
Yes.
Women have another physical capacity and men have another physical capacity.
More
No,
than
you can say more.
More
Yes, yes.
Not another.
Another.
Not in every situation.
It always more.
No, not in
I
every
have a point,
situation.
like, I would like to speak one
Yes.
point that came in my mind as you guys are discussing about gender equality. So would you like to handle me for this? So one thing is there. Just suppose I'm a man, okay? I studied for 20 years and after that I started making money. If I earn 20,000 rupees now, I will think I will do something for my family. As a girl, as she becomes independent, she says I am now independent.
Yes.
I can do anything for free.
I have a
And
second
this
that you are-
this is
But
something
allowed.
this is something really controversial. A person should be understanding. As a man, just take an example. If I earn 20,000 rupees, a girl is earning 60,000 rupees. She will never marry me because I am earning less. But man does so. So this is a thing that should be discussed, and like you see in the society, not a single woman you will find who will agree on the things. Man is less capable of her, and she is going to marry him.
It's the transition period, and things will change after some years. And when there will be more women who will earn money, so it will be changed.
But now it is not changing. Now, what kind of
It's-
changes we want? The changes have done.
I want. It's only the question of her own thinking.
No, it's
If
it's a general thinking.
when if it's general, it's general.
Genetic, we can say in women.
It's general thinking.
You are against women.
No, I'm not against women, but it's general thinking.
I will give example.
Practical thing is, this practical. You know that.
It's a question of it's also the question of mentality.
Personal interest.
Personal mentality that we were discussing about the mentality about doing household works. So it is also the question of mentality, and this mentality will be changed. Will change after some times. You see this. You will see.
And I have seen.
I have seen.
I have seen. It's just 2 days old. Example. My friend whose age is बोलते हैं सुनाई देगा उसमें. Whose age is almost 26 years. He is in love with a girl.
You gave the example, I think.
Yeah.
Before a week.
He is in love with a girl.
Okay.
So girl lived in his village, and he did BTech. The girl did BTech, and the boy is not doing MBA with me. So girl girl did a diploma course of engineering of something like mechanical or electrical. He is working at SCL. and now the girl is earning 25,000 a month. The girl is ready for doing marriage with that boy, but before she started earning. But now she is asking that if you get a government job, if you earn good, then I will marry you. Otherwise,
I do not want
Yeah.
to marry.
She
So
is,
find a-
she is inspiring her.
no, it's a real example.
No, you can also say it's a maturity level. You can also take the example as a maturity
Yeah.
level. They are matured enough.
So men are not. You are saying that men are not matured. If I am earning 50,000, I am going to. I will marry a girl who is not doing.
Uneducated level.
Let him say.
Who is not doing a. I will
Who
marry a
is working
girl
or who is not
who is not doing a job.
Okay, why?
A man can marry a girl. If a man is earning 50,000 a month, a man can marry a girl who is earning, who is not earning, who is just doing household work. A man can marry him.
Aman, who is Aman?
A man.
Okay. I thought that you talking about your friend. His name is Aman.
His name is Suraj.
Okay.
So, yeah. But if a girl is earning money and a boy is not earning money, then the girl is not going to marry him.
Because it's your mentality, and you think that when a girl will come.
Ma'am,
It's not-
with due respect,
With this.
with due respect, like you have said, your daughter is studying in Jamshedpur. Yeah. So if she started earning 50 to 60,000 a month, you are going to do her marriage.
Same level.
Do her marriage on with a boy who is earning 20,000. You will agree. You will agree or not?
Why we do this? If she wants to marry a person who doesn't earn anything, I will.
It's depend on her. She's trying to say.
It
It's
depends
not-
on
It's her call. It's her call.
But you
Let
saw-
her decide.
But a
But your
girl
daughter
is.
did not
They-
marry.
listen to me.
But a girl is not going to do so.
You are just
A girl
taking
is
this-
not going to do so. A girl is not going
You
to.
are taking this discussion as a personal discussion.
No, no.
You are just whatever the answers you are giving, you are saying according to my thinking. I am thinking what I have seen in my life.
Yeah, because I belong to a village, I have seen such kind of examples. That's why I am saying so.
It's
If
all mentality. Women's mentality also change, and men's mentality also change.
Not
If men
changing,
not
bro.
working,
Not
then
changing.
Nowadays,
It's not changing at all.
Nowadays, if you move to metro cities like Gurgaon, or like Bangalore, Mumbai, you see if women are working there, they are earning lakhs of rupees. So they only say, we don't want a man who is working. At least we want a man who is able to look after the house if I am not working.
And those are the houses where domestic violence is at its peak.
Yes. How do you?
Those are the violence.
How do
Those
you
are
know?
the houses.
How do you know?
I am saying
Times
it.
of India.
Times of Indian food.
Because if a woman is earning and a boy is making the home, then if a man cannot do their job like making home, he had not prepared the food, he had not mopped the floor, the girl is going to overreact more than a man. A man can understand that she had a problem, she had such kind of voice, men can, overall I want to say that men can understand. But you are saying, like you have said that women are earning and
You need to take what I think.
No, go ahead.
Continue.
like if men is earning, no, man is taking care of home and the woman is
Say
earning.
that if woman is educated, then the whole family they she manage the home very sincerely and effectively. They educate his students. They educate his daughter and his son, and we see in many colleges and schools they want that their parents are educated. So if the girl is educated, his whole family will run very smoothly, and that's why I am in favor of gender equality, because it's a major issue. The women's literacy rate is very low in comparison to men, so we have to educate women and give equal opportunity to the women as well as men. So it help in it help in economy also. If only men can only men can participate in economy, then economy cannot grow rapidly. If women can also participate as men participated in our economy, then our economy grow very smoothly, and it is also
I have a counterpoint.
which counterpoint? So you can counter.
So like you are saying that women, if a woman,
Listen, take one more counterpoint from him also. Okay, Viren, what do you have to say?
In my every sister and daughter in educated in your demanded she educated in demanded in understand demanding in your right and understand in your right. My Indian Constitution in right in Article 21A in same education in every person in all India. Thank you.
Now, sir, your turn.
like he has said, that if a woman is educated, then he will educate the whole family. So the problem is, there is no problem. A woman have equal right of education. A woman can study. Like there is a point that they are saying that some of the families, some of the parents which are not letting their daughters to study. So there is in most cases there is problem that the father is not that much capable to make study to pay the fees of two childs. And if there is a daughter and there is a son, so he should pay the fees of son, because a son can take care of his or her whole life, but a daughter can marry in the age of 24, 25, and she will go in her home, in her in-laws home, and so that's the major issue. And like he said that woman, if a woman will educated, if a woman will work, then he will take care of he will help in growing the nation, growing the GDP, growing the economy. So there is like where woman needs to work, where only women required, like many places, like if an organization should require a job for a woman, those jobs, like if a person should have to sit on a desk and do the job, then mostly the organization prefer a woman. Like if you go to a consultancy firm who can provide a job, or any kind of consultancy, there will be more jobs for women than men. So women are doing their job where they are required to do, and men are doing their job where they are required to do. And there is like the growing of nation. The growth of nation mostly depends on the production of the country, and there is I don't think there is any connectivity between the gender equality and the production of the country, because like production depends on various factors like climatic conditions, and a lot of factors are responsible for productions of a country, of a GDP, gross domestic product of a country in a year. So there is no relation between the production and growing the nation. By the way, like he is saying that if a woman can do the job, there is also, you can see a increase in the competition. If the competition is going to increase, then the employer is going to give a less salary to a person for that particular job. If sir needs some men who can sit on a desk, and many of, like hundreds of people wants that job, so sir will hire a person who is good in communication, who is good in that work, and who wants a less salary. So there will be increase. If there will be increase in competition, so there will be also be a employer can give a less salary. So like you are saying that, and if a person get a less salary, then a person's income is also going to decrease, and if the person income is going to decrease, then their consumption is going to decrease, and if their consumption is going to decrease, he is going to buy less products than earlier. You are getting that point. And if there is no consumption, then why there is production? If a person is not able to purchase AC, then how is purchasing AC? Then how you are going to?
What's your take on
The
that?
answers that you are giving are related with your answer that you were telling. Now you are coming to the marketing level.
No.
The topic was about the gender equality.
No. Topic is about the does women
I can
does
counter. I can counter.
no,
I
no,
can
no.
counter.
You said about the particular-
Does women are helping in growing nation?
Yes.
So I am answering that question. If,
They are not- see,
if
they
you
are not-
if you see that video later, you will get that I am not distracted about my point. Sir can say that. Sir, am I right or wrong?
If any family earn 20,000 rupees, mainly boys, only men can earn. So if the women can also go for job, then if women earn 10,000, then the family income is 30,000. So in my point, sir, my point is
You are
that.
talking about
so
the
my
other side.
My point
But
is
the-
that. My point is that if we talk about if nowadays expenditures are so high. If only one person can only earn money, then it is not possible to fulfill your needs. So, and if your earning is very low, then your purchasing power is also low. If your purchasing power is low, the production is also.
I'm not saying that a girl cannot go in the market. I have already said earlier that a girl is doing their job where they are required. I'm not saying that the girl cannot do job, the girl cannot go to the market, girl cannot earn money. Girls are earning money, girls are studying hard, girls are helping in building our nation. That's the point. I agree with that. But the problem is, but about the problem I have already spoke earlier.
Men are more suffering.
Yeah. If anyone have any point, so go
Men
on.
are suffering, so not giving opportunity to girls is it's a partiality to it's a
Says girls are not getting.
Ooh, that's what I'm trying to
point.
say.
Only give opportunity to boys, not give opportunity to girls.
Everyone has
Men
equal
are suffering,
opportunity.
but he's not saying girls are not.
If a girl is that much eligible, if a girl is that much capable, then she is going to get that job. She is going to do that thing. If she is not capable, then why there is no point of that. There is no opportunity for girls.
In many jobs,
Mostly HRs, you will go and in any organization. Most of the HRs are women. Most of the HRs, like it's
but
almost 80%.
HR's vacancy is only in our organization only 1 and 2 or 3. But
Air hostess.
air hostess जो point
How many planes are there in the world?
lot of place, but if you compare if you compare with the boy, if
How
you
many
compare,
air hostess work on a plane?
I don't know, but
30.
more than that, more than
No, it is below 30.
30.
The
Okay.
max Airbus A330 has only 30 staff.
Okay, but
30.
but if you compare with the boys opportunity that a boys can get, then it is very less.
Because there is a region, bro. You have to understand that
If
region.
we see in a marketing field, I am MBA student, so I relate with that. In a marketing field, only lots of opportunity for boys, but they see but
Why you consider?
I will
Listen,
speak on that
one thing,
point.
I have one thing. Why you guys only consider if women are working outside? They are also having a responsibility to handle a home. It is more than a job.